Hello everyone! As every Sunday, I am coming to you with new video. This time I want to encourage all runners to enrich training routine with strength exercises. This set is designed to target all of your most important lower body muscles. I am using TRX equipment, which I believe you can find in your local gym. Okay, enough of talking, let's focus on working. To warm up, we will do lunges, engaging also our upper body by raising hands up. Yes, I'm also feeling this nice charge with endorphins when I raise my hands up. Don't be afraid of taking nice deep breaths to supply your body with oxygen. Cross lunges are my favorite ones when I want to work on balance and stability. Already after a couple of repetitions, you will feel target muscles. The burn in your glutes and quads is real. If you are brave enough, you can also try to perform them without the TRX. I'm sure you will have lots of fun. Bulgarian squat is challenging on its own, so adding TRX into this exercise is as if you enriched your chili con carne with extra Tabasco. As much as I don't recommend doing that with your dish, you should definitely challenge yourself with TRX. Are a runner, so I don't have to convince you to perform some sprints using TRX. But I can imagine that performing single leg deadlift could require some encouragement. Maybe you were in the situation when during a long run your legs were so tired that you were searching for the energy from somewhere else. And then is when your beautiful glutes come with help. But in order to be able to count on them, you have to strengthen them. So make sure that this exercise will find a spot in your training routine. Already realized that the exercises showed in the video are unilateral. It means that I'm using only one limb at the time. Why is that? Because that's exactly what you are experiencing while running. You will never have even a single moment when both of your feet are on the ground. That's why it's important that you strengthen your body in similar conditions. want to receive more tips related to training, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.